Energy-efficient windows Coppell TX are a top choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy performance. These windows are designed to reduce energy consumption and enhance comfort by minimizing heat transfer. With the right window insulation, you can significantly lower your energy bills and increase your home's value. Coppell Window Insulation Services offer a range of solutions to improve your home's thermal performance. By sealing gaps and using advanced materials, these services ensure that your windows provide maximum energy efficiency. Window sealing is a crucial step in preventing drafts and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. Thermal windows Coppell Texas are engineered to provide superior insulation and energy savings. These energy-efficient windows Coppell feature multiple layers of glass and specialized coatings to reduce heat loss. Double-glazed windows Coppell are particularly effective in minimizing energy transfer, making them an excellent choice for energy-conscious homeowners. Low-E glass Coppell TX is a popular option for those seeking to enhance their window efficiency. This type of glass has a special coating that reflects heat while allowing natural light to enter. By choosing low-E glass, you can enjoy a comfortable indoor environment without compromising on energy savings. Coppell window replacement experts are skilled in upgrading your existing windows to more energy-efficient models. Window replacement not only improves your home's appearance but also boosts its energy performance. Energy-efficient windows Coppell are designed to provide long-term benefits, including reduced energy costs and increased comfort. Coppell window installation services ensure that your new windows are fitted correctly for optimal performance. Proper installation is key to maximizing the benefits of energy-efficient windows. Insulated glass units Coppell are a popular choice for their ability to reduce heat transfer and improve indoor comfort. Coppell window upgrades can transform your home into an energy-efficient haven. By investing in high-performance windows Coppell, you can enjoy significant energy savings and a more sustainable lifestyle. These upgrades are designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency and reduce its environmental impact. Energy performance windows Coppell are designed to meet the highest standards of energy efficiency. These windows are tested for their ability to reduce heat transfer and improve indoor comfort. Coppell window energy ratings provide valuable information on the performance of different window models, helping you make informed decisions. Sustainable windows Coppell are an excellent choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. These windows are made from eco-friendly materials and designed to minimize energy consumption. By choosing sustainable windows, you can reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. Coppell window weatherproofing services are essential for maintaining your window's energy efficiency. Weatherproofing involves sealing gaps and using materials that prevent air and moisture infiltration. This process helps to maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduce energy costs. Energy conservation windows Coppell are designed to minimize energy loss and maximize comfort. These windows feature advanced technologies that reduce heat transfer and improve indoor air quality. Coppell Window Energy Solutions offer a range of options to enhance your home's energy efficiency.